Hey guys, you don't know your girl Jamaican Time. Not from your city face, you need no introduction. Today I have a new segment. The segment name Yard Mac News. When you think about that. Anyways, you know, so before we dive in it, I have to big up everybody that subscribed to Jamaican Pineapple TV. Thank you for everybody that click the subscription button, the notification. Gang, 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 gang. You don't know the thing. You don't know. Everybody always a comment and I appreciate it so much. So I don't want to only chatting. Today now on Mac News. Tragic. Something really, me feel it to my soul. Everybody's supposed to know this Jamaican actor by the name of Louis Rankin. Yeah, them call him Axe from Belly the movie. Everybody know Belly the movie because me I watch that from my idea, my knee. You don't know. And then you have a next movie when you Shatters. Shatters are one of the baddest thing when me watch. One of the baddest Jamaican movie them when me watch. And him play a role by the name of Teddy Brockshot. And don't forget that this woman is a legend, you know.
Holy Emmanuel I Selassie I. It's when people started from the bottom and reached to the top. The world's supposed to respect that.
Win a Grammy Award in 1992 for him track with him Typewriter. Today, Monday, the 30th of September 2019, him dead, him gone sleep. You understand? Him gone sleep with the angels. You don't know. Me shout out to all him families and friends, and you know, condolences go to all of you know. Rest in peace to a real Dan Dada. Jamaican, original Dan Dada. You see it?
You know me? I am the original Jamaican Dan Dada. You understand? Jamaican road boy. I don't want to ramp with bomber clock me.
Yes, guys. So big up on yourself. You don't know? Moment of silence. I don't want to be funny, but you don't know. Everybody in our life, we know this. Once you are alive, all of we are going to go pass away. Some of we pass away quicker, some of we later in life. But it's just a natural part of life. You live and you're dead. I just saw it go. Condolences. So I could move on. Different thing. So, I see one girl, I wash rice. Like seriously, dog. The girl I wash rice. And I wash rice with dishwashing liquid. Well, what happened to no? When there, I can't a Portland girl that can never be a Portland woman that is washing rice. A Portland woman know how to wash rice. You don't know the Portland woman are the best cooks. You don't know where this one come from. It must be a uptown girl. It's an uptown girl. Check out this. Then God know. This not real. So then she have a friend, a flimmer. And wash rice. If I have friends like those, I don't need enemies. That's a fuckery, that. Fuckery go on. That's not right. So I could move on and go to the next video. So the next video is this. Jamaica. Jamaica is not a real place. Jamaica is not a real place. Me never see bus. Me never see rain or fall in a bus. Only in Jamaica. Check it out. Then this real. Then this umbrella the woman have in the bus. Them need to do something. You don't need to go on better than this. You don't need to go on better than this. It cannot have better my walk. Them people here, it come like a something them used to because look how everybody relax and all have umbrella. Them prepare because it's a go on. It's a go on long time and you can't have people that pay for this type of service here. This is real. This mess up. This is not right. This is not correct. This don't correct. What do you think? Why? Should you pay fare? I would not pay fare for that. I rather walk. Me can't sit down in a one bus and have an umbrella. That them two extra Jamaica. Jamaica, this is really true. Jamaica is not a real place. Yeah, man. Like we dive out of that now. So we come to something else. Then people, when you see me still have hope in humanity. me, Tika, me Pineapple, me still have hope in a humanity. You understand? There is this, you don't know, say, right now at the Doha World Championship 2019, and there is this clipping that I saw, and me not gonna lie, me get goosebump, because nowadays, now, the society where we live in, we are so egocentric, we are so focused on ourselves alone. We don't have time to help other. You understand? If anything happen in a life or anything happen, you see the first thing when people do is take out them phone and video it, whether it good or bad. We don't have the instinct, we don't have a mindset of a helping mindset. We have a mindset of vampire, sucking. That generation is a sucking generation. So you see when I see that video, yeah, me not tell a lie, the video touch me, me like it. Big up Brema Dabo from Guinea-Bissau. Him help him fellow man, him help him rival when named Jonathan from Aruba to cross the line in this race. You know, everybody are compete, and then Brema never did ever win anyways, but yet still, you know, so you have to finish your match, you have to finish the race. So, while he was running or whatever, him sister Jonathan is in pain, or because he did a limp, he now run right, and all of this, and him help him. Just take a look at what happened here. Is this not amazing? This is amazing. I love this. I am so inspired by his sportsmanship. This is lovely. Yes, people. I saw the world is set. You understand? You see? Bremer displayed sportsmanship by sacrificing his own race to help our next rival. And this is amazing. Thumbs up. Kudos to you. You know, he's not going to win any medal, but he won my heart. He won the admiration of the crowd by helping his rival. And you see, if the black nation could have been united and help each other to grow, we would conquer anything and everything, because we are the lion of the jungle. You understand? We as people have to come together and unite. Start having this helping syndrome. Start having this helping mindset and stop thinking about just your gain. You understand? And you see in the world, the universe. You see the universe now? You see the moment you help a neighbor or you help a friend, the universe will bless you with more. Him double up. Double up your blessings, double up. We could come together now. Look at what is happening in South Africa. Killing your fellow Nigerian brothers, killing other people that are not South Africans because they're taking away your job. This is bullshit. This has to stop. It cannot go on like this. You understand? Look, everywhere in the world you have gangster, you have gangs and everything. Now we have to cut out with these things. We have to start build each other. You understand? Build. We build each other. We don't kill each other. Say no to killing. If you think that Bremer did a good job, please give me a thumbs up, because I think he did a good job. And if you also think you don't know, say, we as a nation, we as people, that we should come together and work more together and invest in our full self, then give me a thumbs up. Because if you don't love yourself and your surrounding and people that you're identical with, or people that you can identify yourself with, how can you love a next man? If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. And don't forget to press the notification. Gang. Press that bell. And if you like this mock news, tell me what you want me to talk about again. I'ma like it, because I keep it real. Just keep it real. And don't forget some love, I'm out.